When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy.
Welcome back, guys. So we're here with Ali Grace today again. Same packaging as usual. The usual green drawstring bag. I got a wig cap and this like pamphlet. The usual. I didn't get a lot in this package today in terms of goodies at all. These are the only two things that I got. So yeah, this just shows you like hair care and your social media and stuff like that. So we're working with a 10-inch straight silky straight bob today. It's a 13 by 4 lace front, and it did come pre-plucked. If you want to give it more gradation, you can feel free to go in. For the most part, the lace is pretty normal, so you know it's not the thinnest like the new Swiss laces and stuff. So you can feel free to go in and bleach this, tint this, customize it more. If you don't have that much time, you could do what I usually do, just apply a little makeup to help tint it. That's the faster way. Today I'm going to go ahead and apply it straight so you can see exactly how it looks once applied straight out of the box. The inside has a total of 4 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and yeah. So you guys know the usual. I have to cut off the excess around the ear portion, and yeah, this did come with a pre-center part, but if you want to give it a side part, you can feel free to go ahead and do that because it is a free part lace front wig. So feel free to go ahead and do that. So I'm just lining up everything as I usually would do, and then I cut away the excess on the ear portion. Which is really easy. With practice you get better than at this, and the faster you'll apply your wig. So if this is something you want to get into, just practice, and you'll definitely get there. For today's install, I use my Got To Be, as usual, my blow dryer on cool air, and I take my time to just dry this down. It really doesn't take a long time when you're using Got To Be spray. It dries on pretty fast, so I love using this. So I just, take my rat tail comb, help to press the lace down so it stays in place and in the position that I want it to be. So as usual, you guys know, once I cut away the excess lace, I usually just spray down whichever part is lifting a little, and that's just with way less Got To Be, and it dries down really fast. It's not a lot of work at all. This usually helps to make things melt back down. So you can see a bit of a cast here. So what you can do is feel free to go in and apply makeup to help camouflage it and just appear more seamless into your hairline. It's really easy. It's not a lot of hassle at all. So that is my recommendation to fix a kind of lace like this. Or as I said before, for something more lasting, go ahead and bleach it. You can bleach your knots and tint it as well. So once I'm done, I literally just made my swoops, which you guys always see me do. So I just kind of did that off camera, and then I'm coming back to just late, and I kept the center part. I'm always in the mood for a good straight bob. Okay, it's summertime. So this was really nice and sleek, and I love the movement with this. It didn't have a lot of flyaways. It really didn't have a lot of shedding at all. It did not have a lot of shedding, so I have to give it to them with that. All right, but yeah, that's how this install is looking. Alright guys, so as you can see, the bob is definitely bobbing. Looks so beautiful. It's really, really nice. I'm impressed with the body and the movement. Look at that. It's like butter. Okay, so I definitely would recommend this bob if you're looking for that perfect summertime kind of bob vibe, this is your wig. It's the standard bob look. You know, I really can't complain. As you can see, I kept that center part vibe, but I do love the texture and everything. It's very silky straight, and it has a really nice luster to it. It's not like overly shiny or anything. So yeah, very manageable as well. If you can't deal with all that hair down your back, this is your wig. So shout out to Ali Grace hair on this bob as well. I'm really not getting a lot of shedding. I'm not even getting anything right now. The only reason why I got a little bit of shedding was because I cut off the excess around my ear portion, so that accelerated a bit of shedding where the lace was cut, and that's completely normal and expected. So that's that. But yeah, gorgeous 1B tone bob. Let me know if you guys like this. I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to it as well as the specifications in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Sola, 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 sola.